Buenos días. ¿Cómo están? How are you?
Muy bien.
Hi, English too. Family. Prospero, he's a cigars master. Tobaccos, we plant it only once a year, on November. We give 5 months, since November until April, and those are our 5 coldest months in this country. So this is season that we use to plant tobacco. In only 5 months, this tiny seed become into the plants like 8 feet tall, producing since 22 to 34 leaves. Top leaf are the strongest, not the biggest, the strongest. Middle leaf, smoother, sweet. When one cigar is sweet, it's because they use only middle leaf. When one cigar is a strong, it's because they use only top leaf. When we start to cut the leaf, we don't cut it all at the same time. First the top leaf, 10 days after middle leaf, 10 days after all the bottom leaf. When he going to start to make cigars, he need to receive 3 packets. Top leaf, middle leaf, and bottom leaf. He separated. And then he needs to make sure which kind of cigars he wants to make. If will be good cigars, the first thing he check is that the leaf he received must be full leaf. Why is important? At the time to roll it, the host has hold the cigars and can smoke, can breathe without exhausting. If it's only many little piece, then will be like a so, and he don't take a packets of leaf and he roll it. No, separate one by one and then he join with the bottom leaf. He gonna show you that. Glue they use come from papaya mixed with sugar cane juice. See how fast he roll it? You see, this one is good quality, but not beautiful, like the one you see in the box in the vitrine, because it's only the first step. Second step is the molder. The molder gives the round shapes that you know, even the cup has the half part of the shape. They press it during 40 minutes. 20 minutes one side, 20 minutes other side. After 20 minutes, he switch, he roll all the cigars. Why they need to do like this? That they don't leave it only the 40 minutes. With the first impression, inside it gets loose. But outside look like very round, very tight, very beautiful. But inside is closed. That's why they need to switch it. Second pressure, open it again. Outside is like this. When you see one person smoking cigars like this, like you can be sure that it's not good quality. And cigars must be slow. And a good cigars you can smoke it until the end and the ash not fell down anywhere. Because our long leaf very compact with the right time. And after the 40 minutes, check how it's look like. More beautiful, very tight, but it's not ready yet. It's missing one leaf. But the leaf that we produce here look like very rustic, very easy to break, not give a last finishing. So that's why we need to import another leaf that come from cold country, Indonesia, Brazil, United States, Connecticut, Cameroon. What has the special this leaf? It's like elastic. Then you open it again. and it's tied very well, giving beautiful finishing. It's too big for only one cigars. In machine, they don't use scissor, they don't use machine to cut it. How they can cut it without producing damage? Because you see the line, it looks like a bat wings. So for cutting, if I tell you, can you please break into two pieces without producing damage? He can do it. But maybe we take like 2 minutes, very slow, very carefully. Imagine if 10,000 leaves are waiting for that. So they need a specific technique, very fast. Like this, they hold it this sides a little bit, they roll it fast here, they broke into two pieces without producing damage to the leaf. We're gonna show you. Maximum 2 seconds. That's it. This part of the leaf contains more nicotine than the rest of the leaf. This one, they grind it for cigarettes. That's why cigarettes produce addiction. Cigars, they don't use it. So they reduce minimal the nicotine. Knife, they use not produce damage in our flesh, but cut the leaf very fast. And it's like a little bit elastic, so it can tie very well. He's smoking since the time that we are here, and you don't feel that smell, that like that hurt, you know. So very soft. Egg cigars is an art. He has made cigars for celebrity like Michael Jordan, Vin Diesel, J-Lo, because that company, Jose Noble Cigars, makes cigars very expensive because they spray whiskey, cognac, brandy, tequila, and during 5 years. So to millions of leaves for making high quality cigars. Smell this. This leaf is the cake.
Vainilla.
Vanilla. And this is tobacco. De la camiseta como aquí a la habla. Imagine this. They are cigars that smell like this because they sprayed it during 3 years. Yeah, this is tobacco with vanilla. This one that he's doing is natural. Let me try one. No matter if you don't smoke cigarettes, cigars is different. You will feel the difference.